I don't know if I can set it up here, and now you'll see me, but, hi, hold on, probably not seeing me actually, looks like this one is from a little bit here. Date code. Looks like it's from a 2006. And, ooh, this one has a new fill valve, but the original Toto flapper has a Fluid Master 400A. It's about 2006 on this one. So, here we go. This is kind of an interesting bathroom. It's one of those bathrooms where there's two doors. And, ooh, that's not very. This door seems to have seen a bit better days, especially since in one area I can almost see out. I can see light. I can see there's one area where it's cracked all the way through. Only one. I don't know if I could see myself through it or not though. And this is a Toto drink with replaced fill valve. 2006 Toto drink. Right. Next, we're going to go into the basement. I think there's only one toilet down there. That's it.